Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Oh, lovely. Now then, where are we? I bet you're all wondering, where's he going tonight? I bet you're all sat on the edges of your seats with adrenaline and excitement pumping through your veins, ready for my latest adventure. Well, I'm not going to tell you where I'm going. You know why? Because I've no idea. I'm going to make it up as I go along. I'm just going to go out on the sides and the streets of Bangkok and wander around. One thing I am going to do though is I'm only taking just over 2,000 baht with me to keep me out of trouble and off that beer. You can still get drunk off that, but it puts you off knowing that if you're going to buy a lady drink and yourself a drink, that's at least 350 gone in one round. So there's not many rounds available there, is there? So I'll just finish this coffee. I found this, it's 0 sugar, very nice. I'll just finish this coffee and we'll be off out. I've just had a power nap and when I woke up, I was getting ready. I'm sure that Leo is doing something to my hair. It's getting brighter and brighter every day. I used to think this crossing was interesting, but now I detest it. It takes that long to get across. And we're off. Bottom right. All I'm saying to you is bottom right. Keep your eyes straight, Owen. Things I do for you lot. There's only me going up. Owen going against the flow. Baht, keep going to 10, 15. I've left one satang in there, slipped out of my hand.
BTS SkyTrain suggests that you still wear a mask while using the system, as recommended by the Ministry of Public Health. Thank you for your cooperation.
I'll say one thing though, they are law-abiding citizens and 99.5% of people have got the masks on. It never happened in the UK or Europe or America. Fair play to them. The majority of them doing as they're told. Is it a good thing or is it a bad thing? Who knows? Right, backed on there. Right, I want to go out this way. Try and use my loaf here. Can you get out this way? When I go through them little barriers, I'm always a bit wary that it's going to crush me gonads. Right, according to my old Google Maps, it's a 12-minute walk. So, it says turn left. Am I on the right soil here? It's riveting stuff, isn't it? Where am I going? 600 metres according to my Google Maps. I stopped off, sat down for a bit, had a coffee, didn't film it. Just saw a nice little, it's only a small coffee shop. There's a few people in there. I don't know if you can make the shape of that hotel out. Curves round to the right. Smart. That's nice and bright, isn't it? It's like that in Las Vegas everywhere you go. I'd say Las Vegas is one of the only places when I walked out at night time, it was all lit up, which took my breath away. With the sheer colour and brightness of it all. I can't believe it. I'm 30 metres from the place and it's closed. I don't believe it. Why is it not updated on Google? It's absolutely shut. Mark Weens, you want to get a grip of yourself, son. It's shut. All that way for nothing. It says on there, hours 10 till 7:30. Please order, then wait for staff to seat you. Thank you for your patience. They even said anything on Google Maps. I can't believe that. Anyway, let's just have a look now that we're here at the Ekamai bus station. I could have got the BTS to Ekamai. I like a bit of a walk. Got a bit of time to kill. Oh, Mark Weens. I'm not watching another one of your videos for at least 3 months. Here we are, the old Ekamai. And this is shut. I'm tired. Oh. Well, there your prices. Now, if I was going to go, I could go to Pattaya, but I've been on these minibuses from here before, like a white knuckle ride. Rayong, I don't want to go there. Not to go to any of them. So what's out here? Even this is closed. You thought we opened 24 hours a day. That's for Pattaya, Chonburi, Satahip. It's a Buriram. But look, I think I'm going to go there on the train. Satahip, Rayong. He just cleaned his floor and I'm walking all over it. Ooh. Sorry. Ekamai, Bampi, Canterbury, Trat, Bampi. Sorry, Cap. And Trat. Bang Sen, Lem Chabang. Anyway, sorry, Cap. By Buriram from here. Buriram. My name. Okay, thank you. They don't go from here, that lady says. Owen? You're gonna have to go on the train. What for him? For him. Yeah. Doesn't say how much it is to Hua Hin, does it? Prices 60 round about every 10 minutes. Koh Chang. Koh Chang about every 2 hours. Thank you. I got myself a drink. No idea what it is. It's a little bit sweet, but it's like maybe like a bamboo. I've never tasted that before in my life. But let's get back. A-O-N. Yeah. Okay. Moma. And Yoyak.
Yeah.
And what is this one? Sarah.
It's called ไม่หันอากาศ
Okay, thank you. I forgot to mention a really good thing about this room is when you go out, all the electric stays on. So if you wanted to keep your laptop charging or the aircon on, it can be done. So when I come back, it's nice and cool. As you can see tonight, I've only had one beer. I've been a nice restful night and relaxing. And tomorrow I'm going to get out there again and do some exploring. I've enjoyed myself today. I've been to quite a few places, done a lot of walking, and now I'm going to just sit back, chill, have a few coffees, do a bit of editing, maybe watch a bit of TV and relax. Now if I wanted to, and you lot will never know, I could get on my old line. Hello Tilak, Tamarai.
Why you want to make me do?